Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we're here with the Queen. Lisa featuring Rosalía with New Woman. Yes, Lisa. From Blackpink. Yes, I'm now a Blink, as you guys know. I'm now a Blink. Yeah, so we're going to jump in this one and see what the Queen is saying. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hold on. Sorry, just got distracted. Oh, Lisa. I love the phones. I love the phones. Dave Meyers. Shout out to Dave Meyers for directing this.
Here I go, banging it, wanna crack these walls. Banging it, wanna echo through the halls. Pulling up fresh face, brand new dia. La Lisa Rosalía.
Effortlessly. That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. I like that, I like that, I like that. I like that, I like that. Let's go back a little bit, just a little bit right here. Let's go back a little bit.
Pain has come into gold. Pain has come and gone again. Walk through the fire, I rediscover. Hater than I serve, bitch you better swerve. Rapping on my aura. Focus on my mind, taking my time. I'm a new woman.
Wow.
Bitch you better swerve. Rapping on my aura. Focus on my mind, taking my time. I'm a new woman. Face, eyes, body go wild. You want this? I'm a new woman. Eyes, I'm all about mine. You want this? I'm a new woman. Por todo lo que soy, yo puedo frontear, no por lo que tenga, siempre me la dan. Y mi energía inmaculada, bajo perfil y tú estás fuera. Yo hago pa' cantar, no canto pa' vivir, nací pura así. Ni una era se dan flop en mi porvenir. Puta, soy la Rosalía, solo sé servir. La noche estrellada, así sea. Hasta la madrugada, que así sea. Purple into gold.
Hold on a minute, man. Hold on a minute. We ain't gonna just speed past that like we just didn't see none of that. We gonna go back and we gonna go again. Shit.
Here I go, banging it, wanna crack these walls. Banging it, wanna echo through the halls.
Yeah.
Pulling up fresh face, brand new dia.
Yeah.
La Lisa Rosalía.
Yep. I like that everything she just said is on the screen. Purple into gold, pain has come and gone, and boots are on fire. Like, come on.
Pain has come and gone again.
Yeah.
Walk through the fire, I rediscover. Hater than I serve, bitch you better swerve. Rapping on my aura. Focus on my mind, taking my time. I'm a new woman. Bitch you better swerve. Rapping on my aura. Focus on my mind, taking my time. I'm a new woman.
New woman.
Face, eyes, body go wild. You want this? I'm a new woman. Eyes, I'm all about mine. You want this? I'm a new woman. Por todo lo que soy, yo puedo frontear, no por lo que tenga, siempre me la dan. Y mi energía inmaculada, bajo perfil y tú Yo, pa' cantar, no canto pa' vivir. Nací pura así, ni una era se dan flop en mi porvenir.
Rosalie is bad. Rosalie is bad, man. Rosalie is bad, guys. Rosalie is bad. B-A-D. Rosalie, you are bad.
Pa' vivir, nací pura así, ni una era se dan flop en mi porvenir. Puta, soy la Rosalía, solo sé servir. La noche estrellada, así sea, hasta la madrugada, que así sea. Purple into gold, pain has come and gone again. Walk through the fire,
walk through the fire.
Yo le meto duro, sale bien seguro, acelero mi ahora y estoy enfocada, no presiona nada. I'm a new woman, sale bien seguro, acelero mi ahora y estoy enfocada, no presiona nada. I'm a new woman, face, eyes, body go wild, you want this? I'm a new woman.
Wow. She made this shit look so effort this is effortless from Lisa, man. Come on, like Lisa is the queen. Rosalia, first time coming across your work, and I love it. If you guys want me to do some Rosalia, let me know. I don't know anything about her, so I'm sure the comment section will be giving me lots of information on it. But wow, what can I say, man? Like, Lisa never disappoints, bro. Lisa never disappoints. Lisa rapping skills is crazy, as well as the production team is always going above and beyond their duties to make sure these quality videos are out to us as the listeners and the fans. Oh my God, New Woman is on repeat. New Woman is on repeat. Lisa is truly a queen. Like, she's truly a queen. Man, jeez. What can I say, bro? What can I say? I mean, I think Lisa is bigger than K-pop. I think Lisa is for the world, not just K-pop. Lisa is for the whole universe. Like, seriously, like, she's so talented, crazy. She's beautiful. She's everything. She's everything. She's definitely a new woman. So, this is where I'm going to leave this one, guys. If you haven't done so, please drop a sub to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Also, let me know which other Lisa track to do. I've done a lot of Lisa track. I'll leave 2 of them floating on the screen right now. So let me know if you guys want to see more. All right. So I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.